get the things to run out the kinks. And kind of like you saw Kenny Bates doing, maybe build up some rivalries here. And we'll see if maybe a little more hostility brews. We kind of like to encourage hostility amongst the drivers. Makes for better demos. We enjoy it. They don't like it so much, but it's fun for us. Frankly, that's all we care about. So here's the chance to get a good look at some of our demo drivers, and I'm going to dig in my pockets here and find out who they are. They don't tell me anything around here. In the 80, that's Jason Lillibrid. In the 57, that is Mike Bachmeyer. The 35 is Steve Morgan, and the 157 is Trevor Graham. Trevor Graham had a lot of demo derbies that we do. In a big car. Haven't seen him in the small car yet. He starts are quick. That's going to make it for some big days. These are your demo cars, so tonight we're going to see them wreck. At 35, he's going to make a mess tonight. I've been watching him today. He's going to hit something really, really hard. I don't know if he's going to win. At some point, you're going to cheer loudly for that guy. Remember his name, that's